The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for George MS, Green MS, Hancock MS, Harrison MS.
Oh crap, is in my county too.
MS, and Stone MS, beginning at 1:20 a.m. and ending at 2:20 a.m. The Mississippi Bureau of Investigation has issued an Amber Alert for 6-year-old Kaiden Wall of Pascagoula MS. Kaiden Wall is described as a white male, 3 feet 6 inches tall, weighing 120 pounds, with brown eyes and brown hair. Also, Colden Wall is described as a white male, 2 years old, 2 feet 3 inches tall, weighing 40 pounds, with brown eyes and brown hair. Kaiden Wall and Colden Wall are accompanied by Sarah Caswell. Sarah Caswell is described as a white female, 33 years old, 5 feet 3 inches tall, weighing 150 pounds, with black hair. The vehicle being used is a 2007 silver Audi bearing Alabama license plate to be A2195. The vehicle was last seen about 2:30 p.m. on Saturday, October 17th in the Mobile, Alabama area. If anyone has information regarding the whereabouts of Kaiden Wall and Colden Wall or Sarah Caswell or the vehicle, contact the Mississippi Bureau of Investigation at 855-642-5378.
Jesus Christ!
Mississippi, put spaces in between your fucking, iPods, voices, you dicks. Like, seriously, there was literally no pauses of speech.
I know, right? I know, right? That was the second one I caught. By the way, it's on camera.
Did you catch it?
Yeah, I just caught it, and I'm still recording right now.
Well, subscribe to, Keep Angel City EAS alerts.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. That's freaking the first time it happened, it freaking spooked me because it went through WEA and scared the crap out of me. Like I've uploaded this first one.
Go to WDFA right now.
Hang on, I'll go to WDFA.
No, I gotta go.
Okay. Crap. Hang on, guys.